Good evening, friends. My name is Sahadev Kumar Sharma. I am from Success Mantra Educate, Jalandhar, Punjab, and we are committed for your success in IELTS exams. Today, we are going to discuss about the basics of maps. Basics of maps. Dear students, these type of questions we generally face in our IELTS writing task 1 as well as in the listening. So in both the modules, the perception remains same, but we basically need to understand that how the maps are moving, what are the different type of directions which we are going to discuss in this short video. Please be in touch with us. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to us for more useful videos. Okay, let's not waste the time and start. Okay, dear friends. Okay, suppose this is our Earth. This is our Earth. Okay, if I draw that four lines in between, if I draw the four lines in between, and we can say on always on our right hand side, always on our right hand side, we can say that there is a direction of east, and exactly opposite to east is the direction of west. If I say that my head is always in the north direction, and my legs are always in the south direction. These are the basic perceptions. Sometimes students get confused that how directions are given. Whatever examiner says, it is according to your direction. It is not according to his or her direction. Okay. If they say east, so this is my east. If they say west, this is my west, or north or south. Okay. We draw two lines more in between. Okay. These two lines. Okay. This direction is very important because lot of questions, particularly in IELTS map writing, we have a lot of directions. So this will become north and east. So dear friends, it is very important to note that north and south comes before any direction. Okay, if I have to write this direction, so north will come before, or we can say this direction will become north east. Similarly, this direction will become, this is the west. Okay, this direction will come north west. Okay, so we cannot say that it is west north. No, it cannot be west north because as per structure, as per system, we follow that it is a north west direction. Okay, similarly, if we are going to define these two, so it will become south west direction. Okay, and similarly this will become south east direction. If we are writing this thing something wrong, so we are not going to get the good score for it. Okay, this is the basics of the maps. If we get this type of question, we immediately draw one line and we try to apprise ourselves that in which direction things are moving. Okay, sometime in the east they say right, they use the word right, especially in your IELTS listening. Okay, right means it is towards the east. Okay, opposite to it is your west, we can say that it is in the left. Okay, similarly if I talk about the north, they will say on the top, and if I say on the south, they say the bottom. Now the main question is this: if we understand all these things, the basics of maps, then it is very easy and very convenient for us to do all type of questions. This is my personal experience also, that when students are facing the challenges, especially during the IELTS listening, they forget that which side they need to move, because sometimes they say that the person started from the middle and he moved towards left. So student is confused whether move towards his left or examiner is saying his left. No, dear students, they always say as per our choice. Okay, we'll discuss one example. Suppose the person is standing here. Okay, he is in the middle. Then they say that the person moved towards north. So the person moves towards north. Okay, the person has come here. Okay, there may be some question related to this A, B, C, D, whatever they say. Okay, they move. When the person moved towards north, then the next sentence they use that the person has taken left turn. So left turn means the left turn which is your left. It is not examiner's left. It is your left turn. And when the person has come here, again there is some question to be solved. And after this, they say that the person moved towards south. Towards south means south is our downwards. The person moved towards south. Okay. If we are moving along with the directions given by the examiner, out of these 7 to 8 indications, then it is very easy to do it. Similarly, in our writing section, if we are getting the maps, we have to explain it. So some things we explain in the type of northeast, then we say besides, we can say in the top, we can say in the bottom. And next I will have dedicated video specially related to maps writing, in which I will be discussing these concepts again with more clarity and how to write it. But basics for your whole life. We may appear in any competitive exam or IELTS exam, or you are going to study abroad. You may face a lot of challenges there for your assignments. So the basics of math is this. The world is running like this. So basically, last to sum up, we have 8 different directions. Right side is the east, then west, then top is the north, and your legs are always in the south. And we have to cross it and never use east north. No, it is always northeast or northwest, or we can say southeast or southwest. And they also use the word top, bottom, right, and left. Dear students, I am always appreciating your comments for me, and if you need any other video related to this, kindly do give me the feedback in your comments. I will be making those videos so that all of you get successful in your IELTS as well as in your life. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.